resisted bodyweight bird dog with the mini band. Where we want to go from here is pop the mini band onto the feet, so on both feet, just under your arches of your feet. From here, squeeze the floor with both hands, squeeze the floor with both feet, creating upper and lower tension, and we want to bring those together. So with the opposites here, I want my left and right to work together. So I'm going to stay on one side and I work my right leg and my left hand together. So where I want to start is I want to squeeze the floor with my right hand and my left foot to create that bracing, so then I can move through the bird dog position. Note I'm squeezing this hand as well to create the bracing through the body, squeezing opposite sides, and then I'm just pushing out, taking my leg into extension, keeping my toes tucked into my shins, and working the upper and lower body together and the cross pattern chains of the body.